Hello and welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a soft, moist and fragrant orange cake without using an oven. It's simple, flavorful and perfect for citrus lovers. Let's begin. First, sieve together 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Orange cakes are popular worldwide, from Spain to Southeast Asia. Grate in 1 teaspoon orange zest for the fresh citrus aroma. The zest of an orange contains more flavor than its juice. Oranges are one of the oldest cultivated fruits, grown for over 4,000 years. Beat 2 eggs for 1 minute. Then add half cup sugar and 1/4 teaspoon orange essence. Beat until the mixture becomes light and foamy. Pour in 1/4 cup oil and mix well. Now add the flour mixture gradually, folding gently. Do not overmix the batter after adding flour, it keeps the cake soft. Pour in 1/4 cup fresh orange juice and mix until smooth. Use freshly squeezed orange juice for the best flavor. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil, place a baking paper at the bottom and pour in the batter. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, great for your immune system. Eggs provide protein to make the cake wholesome. In a large pan, place a wire stand. Preheat it for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Then place the cake mold inside. Cover and cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat until perfectly baked. Keep the heat low to avoid burning the bottom of the cake. Baking with citrus helps keep cake moist and fresh longer. Corn flour helps give a lighter, airy texture without extra fat. Homemade cakes have no artificial colors or preservatives. If you love this orange cake recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more tasty homemade treats. Tell us in the comments, do you like fruity cakes or chocolate cakes more? See you in the next recipe.